Hello, if you've been around Liberians long enough, you probably know by now that we love pepper. We love it so much that we named a whole soup after it. And one of our most famous soups out there is pepper soup. But you can rely on the Loma people to turn anything into torborgee. And I love it. So today I'll be showing you how we make pepper torborgee. With the name, you know pepper is going to be the main ingredient. But what makes it torborgee is baking soda. I'm going with mainly hot peppers, a lot of them, but I don't want it to be too hot to the point where you can't eat it, so I'm adding a little bit of bell pepper to reduce the heat a little bit, because bell pepper has a sweet taste to it, so it will balance out the heat of the hot pepper. Also, I'm adding these types of meat. I have goat meat in here, cow skin, pig feet, smoked turkey. I'm just putting them in a pressure cooker to cook because they're hard meat. Like I've said in my Liberian method of cooking video, with this type of meat you have to either pressure cook it or boil it for at least an hour or two if you're doing it on the stove. But with pressure cooker it reduces the amount of time I have to cook it for, so that's why I'm doing that, to soften the meat. I'm adding 3 cups of water to cook it. Okay, some other ingredients I'm going to be adding are garlic, and I'm adding 1 whole onion. Transfer the meat. Add seasoning. This is 1 teaspoon of seasoned salt, 1/4 teaspoon of sage, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. Pour the blended pepper in, 2 large Maggi cubes, and let this cook on medium heat for about 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes have gone by and it's time to add the oil. I just measure a little bit of oil, about 1/2 cup. Yep, that looks like enough. And that was torborgee oil, by the way, not the regular palm oil. Take the soup off the heat. You can add about 1 teaspoon of soda, but when I do pepper torborgee, I really like it to have a lot of soda in it. So I'm doing a tablespoon of soda instead. I'm gonna let the soda settle down a little bit, and that's pretty much it. Pepper torborgee is ready to eat. I'm all done cooking and I took out a little bit to taste. Pepper. Ooh. Ooh. Hot. But I needed this because it's too cold right now. I need heat. I'm sweating already. I see, oh,